afternoon, this is Lindsay Gale, editor of Demolition and Recycling International, here on the CAT stand with Head of Engineering for CAT Work Tools, Edward van Amelsfoort. And we're looking at AutoConnect, the new coupling system that you've launched at the show. Can you give it a bit of the background about it? Why did you feel it was necessary to design something like this?
Well, for the quick couple system, we've had the CW for a while, and still, when you attach the hydraulic tools, you needed to attach the hydraulic lines, which is time-consuming. So we felt it was time to add that functionality to our system.
Right.
And provide a quicker and easier way to disconnect and connect tools.
Okay. Were customers asking for that as well?
Yes, it was basically customer requests as well.
So, could you take us through the system and how it works?
Yeah, well, the system is based on a two-step approach where the first step is basically the normal quick coupler system connecting the mechanical hookup of the tool. After the system detects it's an auto-connect system, the second step kicks in and does the hydraulic connection to the tools. If it's a hydraulic tool, if there's a bucket, it does nothing and remains idle.
So you can use any tool with the system? You
can use any tool with that system, CAT tools or competitive tools if needed.
But presumably you would have to modify a tool that you already have to work with the system. How easy would that be?
Well, it's plug and play with the machine. So if you have a machine that works with quick couple systems already, the quick couple system of the CAT machines, it doesn't need any modification to the machine. You would need to have a new bracket with a cartridge for the work tools to function.
The top bracket on the tool
itself. The top bracket, correct.
Okay. And what impact does that have? Is it bigger than the previous system?
No, the build-up height remained the same basically.
Right. So was that part of the design?
It was part of the design criteria to not increase the height towards the tool.
Right.
Yeah.
And basically what it does is it eliminates the need for the operator to get out of the cab. He can sit there and just change from one tool to another. How quickly can you do it?
It's a matter of seconds basically.
Right.
Yeah.
And can you just go through the cutout explaining the main components in there?
Yeah. So main components obviously the quick coupler body, which is the carrier for all the components. The wedge system that is also on the standard quick coupler system with the cylinder. And this red part is basically the cartridge that we've added to both the quick coupler and to the bracket on the lower end here.
So this would be on the tool?
No, this is still part of the quick coupler system. This is the moving cover that protects the fluid connectors.
We'll come to that one, yes. Yeah. Because obviously you're auto-connecting a hydraulic system. The one thing you need to make sure of is that the hydraulics are not compromised by dirt and oil. How have you designed the protection for that?
Well, we've done multiple things. We've had contamination covers on both the quick coupler and the brackets. We've made sure that all the cartridge and the components are really integrated into the tool as much as possible, so it's also protected from the outside environment. And for the brackets for Caterpillar work tools, we've made internal hose routings as well to prevent them from damage. So we've done a lot to keep the system clean. Yeah.
In terms of size, does that have an impact on the way the tool works in terms of weight? Because obviously a lot of especially in demolition applications, the contractors are looking for maximum tool weight. If you have additional weight in the coupler system, you have to reduce the tool.
There's no real impact to the matching.
Right.
There is obviously a weight increase because we've added a quick coupler cartridge to both the components, but it's still the matching is still maintained.
So you're probably talking about half a ton for the coupler?
Yeah.
So if you've got 3 ton capacity, you can still use the 2.5 ton tool. Right. Okay. And are there any other benefits it offers?
Well, the customer that already has a quick coupler fleet and has buckets doesn't need a lot of extra money to exchange because he can still pick up all the tools he already has. As mentioned, it's plug and play to the current quick coupler system. We have mechanical backup that you can retract the cartridge if required.
What about safety? Because there have been issues in the last couple of years of attachments coming away from a machine and injuring, or in fact I believe there's been a couple of fatalities. what have you done to ensure that it can't lose the attachment?
Well, that is basically the standard coupler system of Caterpillar. Even without the auto connect, it still has all the. We have three safety features, which has always been in the quick coupler system: check valves, the wedge system, and the NSB unit system.
Right.
That keeps it under pressure at all times, and the springs that you cannot see in the cutout, but it's below there. So we have a lot of safety features in the CW coupler, and it's fully compliant to the new regulations that are going to be active this year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent.